What's up, guys? This is Leon, and I'm going to talk to you about useState. But first, before we talk about useState, we have to talk about the old state. So this is how we used to do state. If we wanted to add state to our component at all, we'd have to use a class component, and we have to extend component, and we have to use the constructor and initialize our state there, and also have to set that state of that state in using the this.setState. And also to use our state, we have to say this.setState dot whatever our variable is. And then, as you can see, we have a nice little switch that works on and off. It's just two components, a light element and the light switch, and they take some on click and the variable for our state. So now let's go ahead and use this, but let's do it with a functional component using React hooks. So what a functional component is just that. It's just a function that is a component. So we take out the component and the class, and then we don't need our constructor anymore. We also don't need the this.setState anymore. And then we also don't need any of this down here for the this. So take out the this there and there. So now we'll have a few things undefined and also a few things that are not used. Also, we need to take out the render method because all we need to do now is return for our functional component. So now we have a few things undefined and we also aren't using component. So let's go ahead and go up here and take out component and actually replace it with useState. Now, right up here, we're going to use our state inside our functional component. So what useState returns is just two values, a variable, which is going to be undefined if we don't put anything inside here, and also a function to update that variable. So if we go right here and we make two variables, we're going to call it isLightOn like we had before, and we also are going to call it changeLight. So now what happens here is useState returns an array with our state variable and also the function to change that state variable. And this is called array destructuring. Well, if this is an array and this is an array, everything on the right side of the array is going to be put inside the array on the left side of the array. So if we had maybe, let's say 1 here and 2 here, isLightOn would be 1 and changeLight would be 2. And that's basically what useState returns. And how that works is that React basically takes care of all of our state that we want to remember inside our component. So now, last few things we have to do is we have to do our toggle light. So we say change light, and then we say not is light on, just like that. And that's all it takes. We change our state by giving it the new value that we want it to be, and then we save it. Looks like toggle light is still not a thing because we have to make it a function or a variable like that. And then there we go. If we go back to our application, you'll see that we have a nice little light. And that's about it. If you have any other questions about useState or React hooks in general, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. And if this video helped you out, or you would like to hit that like button, that'd be cool with me. And if you'd really like to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let me know what you want to see next. But that's it, guys. I'm Leon, and until the next line of code, see ya.